that is called as the function. The important and main thing is function. So function contain the set of instruction to do a specific task. Okay, to do a specific task, we are using a function. It contains the set of instruction to do a specific task. Okay, so now, like sometimes you are clicking on the button, then it is moving to the next page, or it is giving you some message. The function is just like that. The function is a self-contained block of statement that has name. Function can be executed whenever the same code is required to perform repeatedly at the different location or script. Okay, so a function is created as a separate module with a name attached. Each function can have several statements within it. Whenever functions are used, you can easily detect the error in the script by comparing the expected result of the execution of each function with the actual result. The result before it means that there is no error in the code. So there are two types of function we're using. One is built-in function, another is user-defined function. So two type of function that we're using. One is built-in function, another is user-defined function. Okay, built-in function is what, like which is already defined. Okay, which is already defined by the JavaScript, that is built-in function. User-defined function means the function that we have to create it. Okay, so let me take this note, okay, for you. Function. So what are the built-in functions are available? Is none, purge int, purge float, evaluation, prompt, and confirm. So these are the built-in functions that we're using. Is none, purge int, purge float, evaluation. Then we're using prompt function. So these are the different type of predefined function we're using. Okay, so we have to discuss it one by one. I just write the program. Okay, so I add here. new, then I add here HTML5, defined function. Okay, it is a predefined function we're using. So first user-defined function that we have to discuss, that is called as what? Like isNamed. IsNamed function determine whether a parameter is not number. The function return true if the parameter is not a number. Okay. IsNamed कौन होगा? Now, if you take a value, I mean a value number, the value टा से check करी कहियो whether it is a number or not. हमें जो value टा pass करियो सेरा number की नहीं से check करी हमको कहियो. That is a isNamed. So isNamed function determine whether the parameter is not a number. The function return true if the parameter is not a number. Okay, so just I start here. IsNamed. Just remove it. So as already I told, this function is used I pass here a number where a is equals to 50 and where b is equals to 10, where c is equals to 20, and then I define where b is equals to hello. Okay, so these are the thing I define. Now I pass here document.write document.write is now क्लोज करके आउटर ओपन करो अराउंड now I pass what is none B. Now I pass here D. And what it is displayed? Check here. Sorry. No. Is none. Is none. Now I run the file. Scripting another line. Document.write. And D. Okay, so I close the ID, then I can start. Is a problem.
Mom,